Okay, so we are going to be changing the valve cover gasket for this Proton Inspira 2.0 or Mitsubishi Lancer 2008. The engine is a 4B11. So what we are having is that the valve cover gasket is leaking. Alright, so we are going to change that out, and we only need some simple common tools. For example, the 10 mm sockets. Okay, so the first thing we need to remove is this cover here, which has 3 sockets. 3 nuts. Sockets, 3 nuts. Yeah. Pretty quick. You might have noticed that the engine cover over has already been removed. That's quite simple. There's only 2 nuts on each side. And that's something we do not want to happen. Yeah, just give me a minute while I go retrieve back the missing, the dropped nut. Oh, yeah, it's in a very tight spot. So yeah, they're back here. So we'll have to remove this as well. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the next thing we'll be removing would be whatever that's attached to it. So we'll need a plier here. First off, we'll need to remove this. This is a bit on the tight side. Okay, once that is done, we will just need to wiggle it out. Sort of wiggle it out. Next up would be this. I think we just pull this, right? Yeah. Yeah, we just pull it. Okay, the next thing we need to remove. Just give me a minute here. Okay, awesome. Okay, the next thing we need to remove is the wiring harness that connects. Okay, there's a clip here and there's a clip here, so we'll need to remove both clips. And we'll be removing this. Okay, so there's the mount for the wiring over here, so we just need to pry it out. Okay, and that's done. And yes, we have managed to get everything out of the way. Okay, that's good. Okay, right, we might have a bit of a problem here. Okay, so it's a bit wet on the inside here, so it's good to actually dry it off first, because when you open the bolt, the water might just go into the valve cover, the valve head, sorry. It's best to actually dry it out. Okay, that's done. Then just look around, make sure nothing connects the head anymore. And there isn't any. Alright, let's get to it. We are looking at size 10 mm as well for all these bolts. Okay, and there's about 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts at the back here. 4, For valve cover, I was expecting it to be a bit more tight, but it seems to be very loose. I wonder why. Okay, next up, as we remove the bolt, we have a template here, whereby we will be putting it back according to how we took it out. Alright, this is how it looks like. Okay, so up. This is how it looks like once it's filled up. Next, to remove this cover head, it's a bit tight on the inside. You need tall hammer or rubber mallet. Just give it a tap all over. Then it should come right out. Oh boy. Okay, as you can see, the gasket has become crunchy and just part of it just fell in. Right. Where we don't want it to be. So we better lift that up before anything else goes wrong with it. Right. Okay, just slowly pry it off, and voila. So while we have everything here out, let's just clean it up. It's good to use some old rags, and if you have a degreaser or anything, well, yeah, you can use it. Else just a normal cloth would do. Give it a thorough clean. And old gasket, old dirt, all has to be removed. Now, if you do not have a flat surface, it will be a bit of a problem later on. But you get things leaking. So it's very important to make sure these are all cleaned up properly. Any dirt or anything, make sure you're pushing it to the side or out. You don't want to be pushing any dirt into the chamber here itself. So if it's time to change the spark, well, now's a good time, but mine isn't due yet. Even though it's 200 kilometers, but I've just changed mine not too long ago, so yeah, it's still good. So take your time, don't rush it. When it comes to cleaning it up, nice and good, because you don't want to do double work. If you do not clean it and nice and flat, what will happen is that there may be a chance it leaks, and you have to do all this all over again. So make sure, take your time, make sure everything's clean, nice and good. Here's a tip I learned from the internet. When you're not working on the engine head at the moment, use a cling wrap and wrap it. Alright, this will stop any contaminant or anything from going into it. Using a piece of cloth is good and all, but a cling wrap sound looks better. Yeah, don't judge. I'm bad at cling wrapping things. This is just to stop any dirt from falling in. Okay, that's good. Okay, and now we move on to the valve cover itself. Right. Now what you saw just now, this thing has become crispy, crunchy. Alright, these are the pieces that was left in the. These are all the pieces that was left in the engine earlier. So we have to remove all those. Yeah. Oh man, this is tough. Okay, so some of the parts are so fragile and brittle. That is breaking apart when you pull it. That's oil. Okay. And this is supposed to be like a rubber. Not really brittle plastic. Alright guys, there you have it. Our 8-year-old rubber gasket. Now most people will basically just put this to wash and probably paint it. I'm not going to do that today. I'm not going to do that today. All I'm going to do is just give it a quick wipe. Give a shot of the greaser at the edges where the gasket is supposed to be. Then replace it with the gasket new one, which is, as you can see, soft as hell. Okay, so I'm suggesting that we go from this side. Okay, just a rough placement. We'll put it in properly after we're done with the whole thing. So now that we've roughly placed it, apply a bit of a gentle pressure on all parts. Alright, try not to rub it because you see you come out. So push it from the top. Okay, this will make sure it stays in place. Okay. Soft rubber, real soft rubber. And we are done here. We are done here. Okay. Okay, now that we're done with the valve cover and its gasket, we are back to the cylinder head. Yeah. Valve head, whatever you call it, alright? Okay, so a few things to note. You will need to actually apply gasket sealer, a gasket maker, to the joints over here, one here and one here. You don't need a lot, just a bit. Alright, so once you have applied that, you can put on the gasket, the cylinder cover. You have to come back to this chart. Remember this chart? Alright, so we'll go by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all the way to 18. Wow, 18 of them. Okay, and we're done. And we are done. Now to put back everything in place as how we took it out. And we're done. Ta-da. That's it. And we're done. I would suggest or recommend that you drive this around for a week and then open it up and see if there's any open this up and see if there's any what do you call that, leaking of any sort. All right, that's it. Thank you so much.